Hi everyone, this is Laura from the ClickFix team, and I have for you today another shortcode tutorial. And in this video I want to show you how to use the year shortcode that can help you display the current year basically. And I think that this is very useful to use in your copyright notices. So that's the example that I'm going to show you today. So I have here one of our templates from the ClickFix library, and you can see here that we have a copyright notice from the year 2019. With this shortcode, the year will just change every time we have a new year. So the only thing that you have to do is to type the shortcode wherever you want to display it, and in this case is right here. So I'm just gonna type the year. And I'm also going to type it in the other block. The other step that you have to do is to add the ClickFix import code to the header in your page. I was trying to test this shortcode a few minutes ago and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, and I remember that this page didn't have the import script, so I just pasted the script. So you just paste this to your page and now it should work perfectly. So if I publish, we should be able to see the current year, which is 2020. So here I have the published page, and as you can see, the year changed to 2020, and that's basically it. That's all you need. It's very simple. And that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.